next exercise is called prone Superman, Superwoman. I'm going to have my head turned to the side, my arms down by my side. I'm going to press my pelvis firmly into the mat, lengthen through my arms, lift my head and chest, draw my shoulder blades toward each other, and hold for a count of 5, and then release. I can do this also by just keeping my head straight down. I'm lifting my upper chest, feeling my shoulder blades engaged. So I'm working my upper back muscles. Another variation is to take the hands to more of a W position. It's the same thing. My pelvis is pressed into the mat. I lift my shoulder blades, draw them toward each other, and come down.